So what's up? For everybody that's been paying attention, we actually made it back to Houston. Made it one piece without Deon breaking something. So that is miraculous. That's actually a feat in itself. So as you can see, we're standing here in the new shop. We're actually getting ready to start a little bit of renovation. We're gonna get this place up to par before our grand opening party. We got the Maserati here, we got boat trailers here. We got a couple more small trips that we have to do, but as of right now, we're just kind of settling in and getting everything going. And where in the hell is he going with that? Hey, what are you doing? Huh?
Oh.
I do have to mind you. Okay, so we'll pay attention to what's going on here. I absolutely have no idea, but that's never a good sign. Deon with something that's heavy that can break a lot of shit. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of cool builds coming up. We got a lot of good things. What is...
Deon!
That's what he's doing. All right, well, as you can see, Deon has gotten started on the renovation. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. And check out the lab for all of your auto customization needs. Check it out.